Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make trading bot in Telegram easy method. Start by picking a simple strategy like moving average crossovers and write pseudocode for signals. Create a Telegram bot and store your bot token safely, then connect to an exchange API for price feeds and order placement. Test everything in a sandbox, log trades, and iterate until your bot behaves reliably. Begin coding by setting up a project environment and installing Telegram and Exchange API libraries. Implement modules for signals, execution, and logging, so each part stays independent and testable. Use WebSockets for live price data and REST for orders, and include retry logic for network errors. Keep secrets in environment variables and write unit tests for your strategy rules before running live trades. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long coding sessions and avoids coffee spills on your keyboard, making debugging less dramatic. It fits most cup holders and has a secure lid. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Run thorough backtests on historical data and analyze drawdowns, win rate, and expectancy to validate a strategy. Implement position sizing limits and stop-loss rules to protect capital, and simulate fees and slippage in tests. Operate the bot in paper trading mode across different market conditions for several cycles, review logs for unexpected behavior, and refine parameters before risking real funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.